Okay, the proper way to do a push-up. So, a push-up, we're here. I like to start on the ground. It's the best way to start. So on a push-up, you keep your feet on the ground. Your feet shouldn't be off the ground because you're gonna work your core. So you push up, your body comes straight up, okay? Go down, you can touch the floor or not. So here, my butt is not up in the air. That's incorrect. This is not a push-up, okay? So you here, up and down. If you need to go on your knees, that's fine, but you go forward, like your chin is touching every time. Here. Remember, look, my feet are still on the ground. People have a tendency to do a push-up, they centipede up. That is not right. Here, come up with your upper body, that's not right. That's not a push-up. You're not working anything but your lower back, okay? So here, straight up, straight down. If you want to touch the floor, that's fine. Keep those feet on the ground. Body is straight and up. Okay, so just to reiterate your arm position. For a regular push-up where you're working your chest, your arms should be right here at your shoulders, and you're gonna come up each time. So if you wanna work more triceps, you're gonna bring those arms in, and you're gonna come up here. Bring them closer to the body, and you come up. A lot of people will have your arms out here. This is incorrect. You can hurt yourself. You can hurt your rotator cuff. You don't want to do this. I'm not even able to do this. Here, that's not right. You want to be as close, right under your shoulders, not far out, but right under your shoulders, and here, each time. Okay?